Hey, Brian Cassius with Cassius Design Build here, and we just finished this project a few months ago, and I want to show you around. Come on in. This project was a 1,600 square foot addition. The client wanted a great room, a covered deck off the great room, a new primary suite, and then we have a couple other fun little extras that we'll show you as well. So in the great room, you'll see a lot of natural materials. They wanted a lot of wood and stone. We've got a big fireplace with this 2-story chimney, this mega big chandelier. We've got our bar. We've got some built-ins over here. So this is a tongue and groove that was provided by Hewn Elements. It's a local company here outside of Portland. And they do a kind of a rustic distressed look on new material. So this is all tongue and groove. You'll see here, you see it up on the ceiling, and the beam work, that was all provided by Hewn. And we painstakingly went around, I scaled off the CAD drawing and measured every one of these boards so we can make sure we had a full length board at each spot. There's no seams. So you won't see any seams or butt joints on the T&G in here. Then, we had the difficulty of we've got angles, we've got different woods coming together, so making sure all the cuts were really nice, crisp, and clean. Our finished carpentry contractor, Willamette Carpentry, did a phenomenal job. Those guys, they were here and they really paid attention to all the details that we wanted to pull off and helped us to achieve them. All right, so one of the things that our client wanted was a hidden door to a special getaway built into this wall. Now this tongue and groove, which goes up to the angled ceiling, we didn't want to see the door. We didn't want to have a normal height door with a seam here. So we ran the T&G all the way up. We also didn't want a handle. So we devised a door system with a hinge that throws the door out clear of the T&G, has a magnet, latch onto the magnet that's embedded in the door, and there you go. Voila. Another kind of a getaway, hidden, especially for our clients. He really wanted this cellar with the board form concrete. This is real board form concrete, poured in place with real boards. We've got wine storage, we have air circulating through here, tongue and groove ceiling. There's still some more finishes that are coming, some built-in shelving, things like that. I'm told there may be whiskey and cigars involved. All right, come on out to the covered deck. The client wanted a covered deck to really take advantage of the view out there. We also have a hot tub on this end of the deck that is sunken into the deck so it's easier to get in and out of and doesn't inhibit the view when you're sitting on the sofa inside the great room. Of course, we got a fireplace outside, nice big ceiling fan to keep you cool on those hot days. And we also have infrared heat recessed into the ceiling. So you can be comfortable up here all year long in the mountains. All right, so let's check out the primary suite. Again, a lot more woodwork. We've got the tongue and groove and beams, plus the tongue and groove back against the headboard wall. So really nice, warm and cozy space. Back this way, we have the bathroom, which I think is stunning. So we have a walk-through shower, floating vanity with the lighting underneath it, more tongue and groove, and lots of layers of lighting. So it's just this very nicely lit, evenly lit space. Really enjoyable to be in, kind of showcases the different textures and materials that are in here. So in the shower, we did a curbless recessed floor so that you could go in without having to step over a curb. Got the linear drain, and we have the 2 lighted shower niches. Nice big grab bar to hang on to for stability. Just a really beautiful spot. If you look around, you'll see how there's lots of different levels. There's the slope ceilings and the beams. This is a super complicated structure. The complexity per square foot is quite high, probably higher than any that I've done, maybe ever. So there was a lot of challenges that we had to work out, but it was necessary to design it this way so that it is complementary to the existing house, which is pretty simple, but stood out on its own. So it ties in nicely, but it's its own thing. And I think our designer, Sandy, did a fantastic job of doing that. Well, thanks for letting me show you around this addition that we did. It just turned out beautiful. We're super proud of it. We'd love to hear from you if you're interested in doing a project. I'm Brian Cassius, Cassius Design Build. See you later.